Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to make pixel art in Photoshop. Go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, increase the value of saturation, click on OK. Again go to Image, Mode, Indexed Color, select here Local Selective, Color 10, Forced None, uncheck transparency, and these two options will be none. Okay. Again go to image size, click on auto, give here 133, quality dropped. Okay. Width and height will be 100 by 100 pixels. Select here Pick Automatic. Okay. Zoom in the image. Go to Image, Mode, select RGB color. Again go to image size, give here 750 by 750. And select here nearest neighbor, preserve hard edges. Okay, and here we can see a perfect pixel art has been created. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.